Thanks so much for tuning into my channel. If you have not subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button and become a part of this YouTube family, and turn on your bell notifications so that you can be notified every time I upload new content, which I have more coming. So what are we doing today? Today I have these empty Prego bottles from some spaghetti sauce from the other night, and I decided to make some really nice farmhouse vases. Now with these particular containers, you can use them for anything, swabs, hairpins, whatever you choose, but I'm just going to use them for vases. I'm not going to do much talking through this video because it's pretty much self-explanatory, but I will inject here and there to kind of let you know where this project is going. So keep watching, guys. Talk to you in a minute. As you're doing this project, if you find gaps and holes, don't worry about that. You can come back and fill those in later. I decided I wanted to make one of the jars a little bit taller than the other, so I took a top from one of my spray paint cans and attached it to the bottom of the jar and used the rope to continue with the wrapping all the way down to the bottom to make it look like one unit. Now this part can be a little tricky, but just continue to wrap the rope until the bottom half of it becomes the exact same width as the top, and make sure you keep wrapping it in the same formation so that it'll look like one unit. Next, I took them outside and gave them a coat of black spray paint. I didn't saturate it with the black because I still wanted some of the natural rope to peek through. And for my third jar, I used some of the pearl strands that I got from Hobby Lobby. I had plans to actually elevate this a little bit more, but once I got through wrapping the jar with the pearl strand, it actually looked really, really nice, simple elegance. So I decided to leave it just like that. This will make an elegant tea light jar. And these are my finished projects. I think they turned out pretty awesome. And this simply elegant jar can be used with any style. It is truly a statement piece. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate each and every one of you. If you have not subscribed, make sure hit that subscribe button, hit like, comment, and share with your friends that you think might be interested in something like this. Well, I will talk to you guys soon, and stay tuned. More videos on the way.